Do you know how to set up the Quechua MH100 tent by Decathlon? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done step by step. And of course, we are here at the Horizon Hut by Rock Camp Stangol, the perfect spot to get the tent set up. This is where the pegs and poles are at. These are the pegs. First we have ground sheet and the tent. And then we have Flysheet or rain sheet, 2 sets of fiberglass poles. This is the front side of the tent. Once the poles are assembled, slide them through the sleeves on the tent. Make sure they cross at the top to form an X shape, which will give your tent its structure. Just like this. Attach the S-clip on the top pole. This will secure the fabric and give the tent its full shape. This is how the tent looks after attaching the clips to the poles. With the main structure up, it's time to add the fly sheet. Put it over the tent. Make sure the door aligns with the entrance of the tent. Finally, secure the front of the fly sheet with a peg. I'm using this peg. These are all pegs we used. And just like that, your Decathlon's MH100 tent is all set and ready for use. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. Let me tell you about the Decathlon's MH100 tent. It's waterproof, holding up to 200 millimeters of rain with a fly sheet, so you can stay dry even in the heavy rain. This tent comfortably fits 3 people, making it great for small groups and families. There is an air vent at the back to help with the airflow, reducing condensation inside. I bought this tent in Sri Lanka for 27,000 Sri Lankan rupees. It's also lightweight, weighs around 2.5 kilos, so it's easy to carry around your campsite. Overall, it's a solid choice for campers looking for reliability and comfort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to more camping tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Happy camping!